Today we got a treat for you guys. Today we're working on a 2024 Toyota Tundra capstone. I'm talking about a complete makeover on this one. We're doing a 7-inch BDS kit. We're also gonna do Elite Fox 2.5 Performance. After that, we're gonna add the TRD Pro grill kit. We're gonna also do the TRD Pro front camo bumper cover, catback exhaust from Borla. And guys, this is gonna be an amazing video. Stay tuned. Today's tech will be no other than my boy G as he pulls in the Tundra.
I'm logged in right now.
You're good, bro. Just
all right, here. We'll reset. So we're taking off the wheels now. I'm about to start this kit and get started.
And I put that in the video.
Alright, so right now we're dropping the control arm and the strut at the same time so that we can get the diff out. Diff's coming out. The strut's coming out. Here we go. So now we're gonna take off this steering knuckle, but we're gonna hit it. But since we're not using the steering knuckle anymore, it's okay to hit it with a hammer. Now we got all the steering apart, now we gotta drop the diff. Well, it should come out. Easy enough. So right now I'm test fitting the cross members to make sure that I don't need to cut some more, cut less before I go ahead and weld up the plates, because I don't like to cut.
After one light show, here comes the next. We're about to weld the plates onto the frame for the cross member.
Now the real light show is about to start.
Now that we have the plates welded, let's get the cross member. Oh, I forgot the paint. Got the paint.
Gotta make sure all the metal surfaces get painted. Yep. That's it. Let me get this one first. Do you want it like that or like that? Oh, like that. So right now, I'm marking all the nuts and bolts that I've torqued down so that when he comes in for his torque recheck, we make sure that all his components are tight. So right now, we gotta take off this oil seal and put it onto the new hardware. All right, we're done with the front. Now it's time for the rear.